Hi, it's Tuesday. I have a tip for you. So I'm in the bathroom because I noticed in my Immortelle anti-aging blend, which is all oil, it's 100% oil. There's no fraction of coconut oil is what I'm trying to say. So straight oil, a blend of oils. I had just about a fourth left, which is great if this was going to be used on kids in a 10 milliliter, but this is an adult product. So to stretch my dollar even further, I added, and I saw this hack and had to share, yarrow palm, about a fourth or a third. I don't know how many drops that is because it has a different, it's got a dropper, so I can't tell by those. And then what I'm going to do is add the rest with fractionated coconut oil, like so. There we go. Yay! Look how beautiful that is. Yay! That is gorgeous. Okay, and then what I do is I keep the roller inside the cap so it doesn't touch any surfaces. I'm going to place that back on, comme ça, like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my key and put it over it to make sure it's like nicely secure, okay? We don't want any leaks. Then I'm going to put the cap back on to give it a little shake. And then I can roll it on my eye area. Nice handy dandy. Perfect. That's it. All right, that's it. That's the tip. Be well, guys. See you next time.